241 Grove Street, downtown Jersey City, a sophisticated and versatile residence. Come check it out. $3,000 square feet, high ceilings, big open space. This one has it all. Five bedrooms, 5.5 baths, and an office. Grove Street, downtown Jersey City. Nowhere else are you going to get backyard space like this. Tranquility at its finest.
Thank you for taking the tour of 241 Grove Street.
For more information, visit our website at 241grovestreet.com.